Thanks so much for visiting the SIU Writing Center. We are a completely free service available to all SIU students to help with your writing. Any kind of writing, any major, any class, any style, personal, professional, academic, we're here to help. This video will show you how to make an appointment with our Writing Center. To start, let's go to our website, write.siu.edu. In the top left corner, you'll see this button. Click here to schedule an appointment and you'll be taken to our scheduling system. If it's your first time, you'll need to make an account using your SIU email address. Once you've done that, you can log in to see the schedule. Here, you'll be able to see which of our consultations are available and at what times. Be sure you're on the right schedule at the top. There are different schedules for our physical locations and our virtual online appointments. With the appropriate schedule selected, look for white boxes, which indicate available time slots. Once you found the time that you want, click on the white box to launch the appointment reservation form. Here, you can read more about your consultant. If you're signing up for an online session, be sure to check the bio box for the ways that you can communicate with your consultant, including instant messaging, voice chat, or video chat. Fill in the information on the appointment form, including your preference for communication, as seen here. And when you're done, just click on Create Appointment at the bottom. When you return to the schedule, you'll see a yellow box, which is your reserved appointment. For your appointment, come right back here to this schedule site and click on the yellow box to enter your session. Thank you again for using the SIU Writing Center. If you have any questions or difficulty, please reach out to us via phone or email. We can't wait to write with you.